Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to start my speech with the great name of Almighty Allah who created this universe. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Suhana Parveen and I am from class 6. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. My speech topic is We All Are Pakistani. Dears, today we stand together as one nation, faith in our hearts and freedom in our souls. 14 August, a day that echoes sacrifice of our ancestors, struggle of our leaders and dream of our people. We are descendants of the brave, a pure land, Pakistan. Let us unite, let us prosper, let's make it stronger, our Pakistan. On this 14 August, we celebrate separate freedom, the power of unity, the bad nation Pakistan. Let's make it stronger. Let's make it stronger. Freedom is our heritage. Unity is our strength, and Pakistan is our pride. From Khyber to Karachi, we stand as one nation with our heart and our soul. Pakistan Zindabad! Say with me, Pakistan! One nation, one heart, one flag. 14 August, this day to remember countless dead, proud Pakistan. हम अपनी सांसें तेरे नाम करते हैं, हम अपनी सांसें तेरे नाम करते हैं। ए वतन, हम तेरी अज़मत को सलाम करते हैं। ए वतन, हम तेरी अज़मत को सलाम करते हैं। Proud to our past and confident to our future, Pakistan. When the struggle of freedom of a nation born, happy birthday Pakistan, happy birthday Pakistan, our black country Pakistan. Please stand with me, please for me. My request, please Deputy Commissioner, Ma'am Shaista Baloch, all our sirs, please stand, and the Pakistan is our country. Please say with me, Happy birthday Pakistan, Happy birthday Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan. हम तो मिट जाएंगे अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, हम तो मिट जाएंगे अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, तुमको तो जिंदा रहना है क़यामत की सर होने तक है।